my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Make sure you click that bell so that you get every single notification so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. You guys have requested and I have listened. Every single week you will have a new workout video posted every single Monday for you to practice for the entire week. I asked you guys to vote on Instagram and you all voted yoga sculpt for this week's video. So if you'd like to get your sculpt on and namaste, keep on watching. All right, let's get started. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose. Sit back. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, three-legged dog. Bring your right leg high, flex your foot. Exhale, step through, low lunge, grab your weights. Bring your weights to heart center. Release the weights for bicep curls. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now add the lunge. Here we go. And 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice and controlled. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your weights to heart center. Spin the back foot down. Bring both weights into one hand. We're going into single narrow rows. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your weights back to heart center. Opening up to the side. This is now goddess pose. So you can do about 2 sets of 8 of these squats, adding the arms. You can go full range here. You can do a nice variation of these, and again, keeping it 2 to 4 8 counts. Parallel your feet, release your weights, and give yourself a nice stretch. Bring your weights always to heart center. Open up to warrior 2. Reverse your warrior, plant, and chaturanga. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. Bringing your left leg high, stepping through to lunge, grabbing the weights. This time you can do a variation of hammer curls, the same count of 8, adding the lunge, and continuing to smile. Opening up to the other side, single arm rows. Again, you can do 1 to 2 8 counts of these. Opening up and back to our goddess pose on the other side, continuing the pulses. Having a little bit of fun, bring your pinkies up and press back. So you're pressing your knees and your arms are going back in the same direction. Giving yourself a nice stretch, bringing the hands through the legs this time. Grabbing the weights, bring the weights to heart center. Warrior 2, reverse your warrior, weights to heart center, and go through your vinyasa flow. You made it. Take this time to reflect on all the amazing work that you did today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, namaste.